Personally, I don't think you should ever look at who is the best trader in the world. You should make yourself the best that you can be using the resources available to you. One thing I learned early on is don't try to be the best at it, because if you're trying to be the best, people are gunning for you. What's helped me over the years is really just been, I guess, being humble about it and saying, what can I do to improve my game? Now this all comes down to analysis. So I think every trader should go back through, and investor, and look at their trading results for the year. What did you do right? What did you do wrong? Map all these things out and say, now that I've got this information in front of me, I know I trade best in the mornings, maybe I trade futures better than I trade options, I trade this size best. Once we have that information, now I need to take it and refine it and say, how can I improve myself? Not that I want to be like the best trader in the world, but I need to be the best that I can be. And that's measured by results. That's the bottom line.